Kate here at WTI. Now I'm a huge fan of foaming soap, but I'm not always a big fan of the dispenser it comes in. So these glass foaming soap dispensers from YIOUGLOW are stunning and perfect for my home. So they come in two sizes. There's a small and a medium. They are made of glass. They're beautifully textured. I just love the unique look. They both have a different look. They dispense the perfect amount of soap to wash your hands. I have been buying the same brand of foaming hand wash for a very long time. So I pour it directly from that dispenser into this one. The lid just fits right on top, nice and snug. The large one fits an entire bottle. The small one fits nearly a full bottle, but a little less. You can also make your own soap mixture, which would save on cost. They're clear, so if you have a colored soap, you can see right through. Otherwise, it's just a nice clear liquid in there. Very, very classy. These have the silver top. I've been extremely pleased with the way they work. I just find they make my space look so much more pulled together. A really, really pretty addition that's both functional and beautiful. I think you'll really love them, and that's my point of view.